Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to create an Awin affiliate account. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to go to their website, which is going to be awin.com. That's awin.com. Now in this case, once in their website, the next thing that we want to do here is we want to look on the details on it. So in this case, when we scroll down a bit here, you should be able to see different information. Like for example, 25,000 customers grow their business with everyday with Awins, the get started page as well. So the most important page here is the get started section here. So we have solution for advertisers, solution for publishers, and solutions for agency. Now in this case, we'll be using these solutions for publishers. So currently with the platform for Awin, you can promote links and recommendations to an engaged audience base, and you'll be able to earn commissions through partnerships. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on view our publisher benefits. Now in this case, you'll be again redirected to another page wherein you'll be able to see more information on the publisher plan here. So in this case, they have the fast and seamless payments, build partnerships that can make money, industry leading technology, and a lot more. So also it's going to give you the whole process on how to use this platform here. So first is the sign up process, so you'll be able to easily join to their platform, and second is to promote, and once promotion is done, you'll be able to earn. So simple as that. So the next thing we want to do here is we want to create our account. So at the very top, you should see a button that says join now and start earning. Now from here, you have two options. So you either have to use your Instagram. So for example, if you're an influencer Instagram, you could use your Instagram account as a way for you to sign up, or join Awin today and start earning money with an affiliate marketing. So in this case, we'll be using the join Awin here. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you need to provide a few information about yourself. Like for example, for this one, the first step here is basically account setup. So you need to provide the following information. That includes company name, tax residency, first name, last name, email, confirmation email, password, and password. Now we also have the promotional type here and promotional space, and the final process here, which is going to be verification. Now from here on, you just need to complete all the forms necessary here, and once you complete it, you'll be able to apply as a affiliate in Awin. So just need to wait for the verification through your email address, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.